We'll guide you through how to add Minecraft worlds to Modrinth mod packs. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've got a world that you've got already in Minecraft Vanilla, and now you want to go and get it in a mod pack. We're going to guide you through how you can go about this. To get started, come into Modrinth, like so. Come to the left and you need to go and find the option for library. And you want to go and find the pack you want to do it with. I want to do it with this one here. Before we get any further though, a big thank you to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server so you can go and play with your friends and others, check out the link in the pinned comment and the description. Right now, you can get 25% off your first order, which is a great deal. And you can go and scroll down here and you can go and check out some of the other great features at Apex Hosting, like free subdomain, unlimited slots, automated backups, 24/7 serve support, so you can get help anytime you need it. Once you've found it, right click on it and you want to press open folder. You need to go and find saves and double click in here. Now we've got this folder open, press search at the bottom of your computer and open the Minecraft launcher. Of course, you may have a different way of opening it up, but that's just how I do. Wait for this to go and open. At the top, you want to press installations and scroll down and go and find latest release and press the folder icon to the right. In here, scroll down and you want to go and find your saves, double click there. And then what you can do is go and select the ones you want to go and add. If it's just one, that's fine. If there's multiple, you can go and hold control and click them or click, hold and drag. With them selected, right click and we can go and press copy. Then you can come back to the other folder we had opened, which is this here, right click and press paste. We've now added them. So then you can close this and we'll close the launcher, come back to Modrinth and you can go and find it and press play on it and wait. Here we are. When I press single player, you can go and see the world. We can click on it and press play and that's it.